So, hello guys, myself Charan Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Kernel, where I discuss science, facts, and technologies. And today I want to going to discuss India's new mission that was PROBA 3 PSLV 59 that was launched by India. India's commercial space branch, that is NSIL, New Space India Limited, that is commercial branch of India. So basically, the launch date was December 4th, 2024, but due to unfortunate issues, it was shifted to December 5th, 2024. And the rocket is PSLV XLC-59. So as the science and technology develops, as an individual, we also should be aware of some of the science and technologies in our society is going on. So I will give you some awareness and some knowledge about those things in our society. So, if we clearly observe this image, we will see Sun, Earth, and Moon, and it is in a position of total solar eclipse. Total solar eclipse means when Sun, Earth, and Moon are aligned in a straight line. In this period of time, the Sun light is blocked by the Moon, and it will not allow the sunlight to fall on the Earth. At this time, we can easily study the Sun corona, which means the mass ejections of the Sun on the outer side of the Sun, which is known as coronal mass ejections. We can study that clearly. So that is why we are use the total eclipse to study sun corona. But unfortunately, total solar eclipse occurs roughly once every year or somewhere on the earth for a few minutes, and everybody can't watch it. So we are developing Proba 3 such that it in demand can produce the total solar eclipse so that we can study this coronal mass ejection phenomena. So that we have developed Proba 3. So if you consider the spacecraft, there is dual spacecraft, two spacecrafts. One is occulter and second one is coronagraph. So basically, these two are two spacecrafts which are aligned at 140 meters distance away from each other, because one of the light shadow should fall on the other, and it should take the information and it should block some of the sunlight, and it should create some artificial solar eclipse. So as shown in the picture, occulter is directly facing to the sun, which has one solar panel which is directly facing to the sun, and it is around 240 kgs. And second phase cap, which is straightly aligned at 140 or 150 meters away from the occulter, which is known as coronagraph, which has all the instruments that read the things and report to the earth. It is a major thing and major part of this proba mission, that is coronagraph, which can read all these things and which sends information to the earth. And it has one solar panel which is aligned straight as shown in the figure, and it is of 310 kgs of weight. So the both of the occulter and the coronagraph will move in an elliptical orbit around the sun, and they both study about the corona and the coronography they will do, and after doing that they will send reports to the earth. It's good. But the lowest point of the elliptical orbit is 590 kilometers, and the highest point of the elliptical orbit is 59,200 kilometers. So, as shown in the picture, Earth is affected by the solar winds from the sun, and it should not be happen because life will be affected by that solar radiation and solar weather. So, the Earth is protected by its magnetic field. Some of the planets like Mars doesn't have its magnetic field, so that is one of the reason life is not possible there over there. And so we have a responsibility to study over the sun corona and the solar phase and solar weather to control this radiation. And if we can also artificially create that magnetic field in planets like Mars, and then life can be possible over there. So ISRO and ESA has a good relationship, and not only that, it is going to further planning and many more things in future. Not only that, and we have many more projects in future, and it is one of the collaboration from Europe and India. And with this collaboration, world has seen a good combination. And ISRO spacecraft, that is PROBA, that is world's first precisely formation mission that has set up records that you can understand by seeing these pictures. And it will also some break some records because it's world's first ever done.